Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. Come to apps list, and here you're looking for PicWish app, just click on search. You add here PicWish, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. You come to next step here, click on force stop, click on OK. You go down, click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for PicWish, it's going to show for you like this. You will find update here, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.